no, the house is on fire. Fireman Daddy will put it out. But look at this mess.
Fire truck needs a wash.
Come on, kids. Let's help Daddy clean it.
Muddy, let's clean it, come on. All together,
But be careful with the hose.
splash. Fire truck wash, it's so much fun.
And watch out for Daddy.
Time for the hose. Spray, spray, spray. So much water.
Penny will stop it.
Yay! Lovely hose, bubbly, bubbly.
That's better.
Splash. Fire truck wash. It is so much fun.
Time to dry off, Daddy. Look, he's nice and clean.
Use the soap. Scrub, scrub.
Jill loves
scrub.
bubbles.
Pop the bubbles in the air. Fruity smell, bubbly, bubbly.
But now there are bubbles everywhere.
Truck wash, it is so much fun. Bring the
Don't worry, Lee brought some mops.
screens. Remove the soap, nice and clean.
Oh, Pit has the hose again.
Splash, fire truck wash, it is so much fun.
The rain will wash the suds away. Is that a bucket monster? No, it's Pit!
Catch the towel, wipe, wipe, wipe.
Now dry it with a towel.
Cool and dry. Up and
Ooh, that looks like fun.
with your hands. Fire truck wash, it's so much fun.
Lee wants to try too.
We need the wax. Polish, polish.
Save her, Daddy.
Get ready to shine so sparkly. Now we're
Great job! You can all be junior firefighters.
truck wash, it's so much fun. Fire truck wash, it's
Is there another fire?
fun.
You better put it out, Daddy. Oops, it was just Mommy baking a pie. Oh, Daddy! Ha-ha!
Pit and Penny are ready for a race.
2, 1.
Pit, your tire came off.
Don't worry, Cherry will fix it.
And they're off.
Oh no, they got mud on their windows.
Hurry, Pit Crew. The kids need you. Cherry gets Pit's window nice and clean.
But Blueberry makes Penny's window worse. Pit is in the lead.
Can Penny catch up?
Not with a flat tire.
Watch the road, Pit.
Pit has a flat tire too.
Cherry will put on a new tire. Now Pit can race again.
Blueberry, Penny needs a new tire.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Blueberry wants to use the soccer ball as a tire.
But there's the real tire. Now what's wrong?
Pit is out of fuel.
And the soccer ball popped.
Make my car faster!
The car just needs some gas.
Blueberry's hand is stuck.
I can do anything!
Don't cry, Blueberry.
Penny is here to help. And she wants you to win the race.
You can do it, Blueberry.
You can do it!
Blueberry's going so fast.
She's catching up to Pit.
Pit, that's cheating.
Watch out for the wall.
Blueberry wins the race.
We have won!
And here's your trophy.
You did it by working together. Ooh, 3 toy cars. Smash 'em Truck, Flashmobile, and Super Racer. Pear wants Smash 'em Truck. Blueberry wants Flashmobile. That leaves Super Racer for Pit. Let's have a race. And the winner gets a trophy. But watch out for the T-Rex. On your mark. Get set. Go! Blueberry takes the lead. And there goes Pit.
See ya!
Watch out for the wall. This is a job for Smash 'em Truck.
Hooray!
Hurry! It's the T-Rex! Blueberry, can you help Pear? Flashmobile to the rescue! Oh no! That ditch is too wide! And T-Rex is coming! Pit, can you help? Don't forget your friends!
Hey!
Well done, Pit. It's a tie! That means everyone's a winner. Pit and Penny are making a car out of blocks. Pit adds a gold block. But Penny wants a pink block. Penny thinks a pink car is better. Pit wants a gold one.
Let's have a competition to see whose car wins.
Pit will make a gold car. Penny will make a pink car. Pit, your gold car looks amazing. Let's see Penny's car. Oh, I think it needs some work. Your car needs to look more like Pit's. Kicking the car won't help fix it, Penny. Penny has an idea. First, she'll lure Pit away with a cupcake. Then she'll change the cars with spray paint. Pit's car is pink, Penny's car is gold. Oh, Penny, that's cheating. Time for the competition! Pit knows Penny cheated. Now we can see the gold blocks. And Penny's pink ones.
Penny, that wasn't fair.
Peter worked very hard to make this car.
I'm sorry.
Penny, what can you do to make it better?
I know what to do.
Let's see what Pit and Penny did. They made a gold and pink car. Working together makes them both winners. Penny is helping some ducklings cross the road. Pit is helping too. Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon. And he's stealing a police car.
The ducklings are safe. Mission complete.
But Mr. Lemon stole your police car.
We need to catch him!
Penny knows who to call.
We need backup.
Officer Pumpkin is here to help.
Hey!
Hop in, Pit and Penny. Let's go catch that thief.
You
Mr. Lemon has some tricks up his sleeve. They made it past the traffic cones.
Oh no! He's getting away!
How will Mr. Lemon get through the lake? He'll float across. Officer Pumpkin's truck won't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
Officer Pumpkin has a plan. Don't hit all the buttons, Pit.
Please press this button.
Phew, that's better. Now the truck can drive across. A thumbtack will pop Mr. Lemon's getaway raft.
I surrender. Well done, kids.
But what about their car? Here's a new one they can use. Thanks, Officer Pumpkin. Penny and Cherry are playing with their sisters.
Here, choose something for your sisters to play.
It's a box full of toys.
Gold is better than pink.
Cherry loves the color gold, but Penny loves the color pink.
I'll prove to you that pink is better.
Penny found a pink bottle in Soother. Cherry found a gold bottle in Soother. What a lovely pink tiara! And wings! Baby is now a pink fairy! Cherry has a gold stroller. The babies are happy playing together. But Penny and Cherry aren't. Gold blocks and pink blocks. What are they going to build? They made two little houses. One is pink and one is gold. But the babies really just want to play together. What does Mommy think?
Other people will not always like the same things as you.
See how happy they are?
Everyone has their own interests.
It's okay to be different. Mommy made cupcakes.
But you can always find common interests.
Pistachio is my favorite!
What about you, Cherry?
And mine too!
See, you do have something in common. Blue car is nervous. It's his turn next for a checkup. Pink car is as good as new. Your turn, blue car. Pit just needs the pliers.
Oh no! My car!
Blue car is running away. Oh no, he lost a windshield wiper. Here come Officer Pumpkin and Pit. Blue car's hiding in the tunnel. There's the windshield wiper.
My car was here!
The tunnel is dark and scary.
I can't see anything.
He didn't see the stop sign. Poor blue car. Blue car hit the lamppost. Another clue for Pit to follow. Blue car lost a tire.
Oh no! This is its wheel!
Watch out for the tire. And now blue car is stuck in a bush. Hurry! He's over here!
There it is!
Let's tow the car to safety.
I'm afraid of checkups.
Checkups are necessary so that you don't get into an accident.
Just like going to a doctor. Time for a new battery. See, blue car? Checkups are easy.
Now I will never be afraid of checkups.
Uh-oh, there's a fly in the house. But here comes Penny with a fly swatter. Penny, you turned the couch into gold. Now the TV and speakers are gold. Wow, the fly swatter is magic. Pit, Penny has something to show you. Watch closely. Her doll turned gold. And the castle turned gold. What do you think, Pit?
Woohoo! Golden toys!
Now do Pit's toy truck. There's just one problem. Gold toys are very heavy. Try both hands, Penny. Hello, baby. And baby wants the fly swatter. Careful, baby. The fly swatter is magic. Oh, now there's a gold rug. And a gold vase. Someone needs to stop Baby before it's too late. Pit, Penny, Baby has the magic swatter. See? The swatter is gone. Everything is gold. And Baby's hungry. She just wants her bottle. But the bottle is gold. There's even gold milk inside. Maybe Mommy can help. Careful, Mommy. Now Mommy's gold. Be careful, Pit. Pit's been turned to gold, too. Baby broke the fly swatter. Everything is back to normal. And you don't need this anymore. There! Penny's doll is back to normal.
It's even better than gold.
Pit is in a race. And so is Mr. Lemon. Watch out, Pit! Super Daddy saved him.
Go ahead, Pit.
Pit takes the lead. Mr. Lemon is cheating. The car's tire fell off. Super Daddy did it again. He'll fix that tire in no time. Pit's catching up. Hurry, Super Daddy! Pit's stuck. Mr. Lemon has more tricks.
Come on, Pit.
Daddy's stepping on the toy. But how will Pit win? Super Daddy's back to help. The bridge is broken. Super Daddy knows what to do. Pit car is going to crash. Super Daddy to the rescue.
Thank you, and sorry for everything.
Pit has something to say.
My daddy's a Superman!
Here comes the bus.
Oh no, Penny!
Remember, always fasten your seatbelts.
Why are seatbelts important?
They keep you safe in an accident. Here comes Cherry.
Oh no, look at Penny!
Kids, what rule do we have?
Do you know Penny?
Don't take food on the bus.
It's messy.
Sorry.
It's Blueberry.
Take your seat.
She can sit with her friends.
No, that seat is full.
You're gonna crush us. I'm almost there.
Maybe Miss Apple can help.
Penny, what do the bus rules tell us?
No more than 2 people on the seat.
Then where can Blueberry sit?
Here, where she has a seatbelt.
Pete, we have to stop.
Blueberry doesn't feel well.
If the driver doesn't stop, push the stop button.
Stop buttons are on the handrails.
It lets the bus driver know to stop.
Phew, Blueberry feels better.
Following rules keeps us safe.
So, have you learned the bus rules?
The kids know what to do now.
Oh, what do you want to learn next time?
How to fly a helicopter!
Oh,
Pit. Pit is racing his black car. And Penny is racing her pink one. Who's going to win?
The black car is better than pink!
Pit looks very cool in his black car. What do you think, Penny?
The pink car is the best.
Penny looks very cool in her pink car. Is one car really better than the other? Penny has an idea. There's going to be a race! Watch out, Penny! Watch out, Pit! Here comes the finish line! Mommy will decide who won.
Cross the finish line together.
Both our cars are good!
It's a tie! Enjoy your trophy! Pit is washing his car today. And now it's clean and shiny. Now it's covered in mud. Hurry, Pit! Being dirty makes Blue Car angry. Much better. Now let's clean Penny's car. But Penny, your car is a mess. Be careful, Penny. Pink car is sad. That will make Pink car mad. Oh no! Penny is stuck! Hurry, Pit! Penny needs you!
Pete, help me!
Oh no! The mailbox! Oh no! The flowers! Oh no! The fence! Mr. Potato needs your help, Pit. Well done! There's a puddle in Perry's way. Poor Perry. Maybe Pit can help. First a wash. Then a wipe. Now up and over the puddle. Now Pit needs help. Blue Car, use your wings. It's safe to come out, Penny. But Pink Car is still sad. What's wrong, Pink Car?
Penny treated me really badly.
Treat your car like your best friend, Penny.
Pink Car is much happier now. Good job, kids! Toy Car is scared and alone outside. Who's that? It's Baby! And she wants to play. Toy Car has mud on him. Baby has an idea. Now Toy Car is all clean. Oh no! There's been an accident. Baby knows what to do. Here's a bandage for your boo-boo.
I want to play too!
Pit, you're too big. toy car has run out of energy. Baby wants to feed it milk.
This is for little babies.
Pit wants to feed toy car some chips. But chips aren't for cars. Maybe Daddy can help.
Each toy needs proper care.
Toy car runs on electricity. You must plug it in for energy. It worked! But the hood is still dented. A plunger can help with that. That's better. Hop in, baby. Toy car is ready to play again. Pit and Penny are making a car out of blocks. Pit adds a gold block. But Penny wants a pink block. Penny thinks a pink car is better. Pit wants a gold one.
Let's have a competition to see whose car wins.
Pit will make a gold car. Penny will make a pink car. Pit, your gold car looks amazing. Let's see Penny's car. Oh, I think it needs some work. Your car needs to look more like Pit's. Kicking the car won't help fix it, Penny. Penny has an idea. First, she'll lure Pit away with a cupcake. Then she'll change the cars with spray paint. Pit's car is pink, Penny's car is gold. Oh, Penny, that's cheating. Time for the competition. Pit knows Penny cheated. Now we can see the gold blocks. And Penny's pink ones.
Penny, that wasn't fair.
Pete worked very hard to make this car.
I'm sorry.
Penny, what can you do to make it better?
I know what to do.
Let's see what Pit and Penny did. They made a gold and pink car. Working together makes them both winners.